Hey guys, welcome back to another wig review. Today's wig review is brought to you by Unice. They sent over to us a waterwave headband wig, and they sent a lot of headbands because everything just kept falling out. This is their waterwave headband wig. It is new and improved. They have some upgraded features on this wig. The first being the breathable lace mesh. Usually there's a bandage material on headband wigs. They have upgraded this to a breathable lace mesh, which feels cool. Also, guys, this hair is a water wave texture. The hair also has an adjustable drawstring and hook in the back of the wig. The back of the wig has been adjusted from the previous Velcro that you usually have on headband wigs. And for me, those Velcro straps would usually not stick after a while. So I love the fact that it now has a drawstring that helps to adjust it to any head size, and it has a lot of combs, so this hair is super secure. And with the upgraded strap, guys, it will help you to not feel muggy, especially in the hot summer weather that's coming up. This hair is easy to install. It is secure. You don't need any gel, any glue, or anything like that. You literally just put it on and go, and you're good to go. It will not fall off regardless of how hard you shake your head. This thing is so secure. And then, guys, as a beginner, this is perfect for you. If you have thinning edges or anything like that, this is also perfect because you don't have to leave any of your hair out. This is suitable for a lot of different people. For someone like me that goes to the gym a lot, headband wigs really come in handy because then I don't have to do my hair. I just pop it on and I'm about my business. And it also is like more friendly for me in the gym because I sweat a lot versus wearing like a lace wig. But guys, I am going in with a little bit of water and some mousse just to define the curls, and then I'm gonna allow that to dry so it can be fluffy. The exact length of this hair is gonna be in the description box below. And guys, they sent me so many different headbands. I really didn't know which one to go in with, but of course I went in with a black headband because that's just a safe choice. When I get my headband wigs, I usually don't wear headbands over them. If I'm being completely honest, I usually just wear it and go. I don't put a headband on. I just wear whatever strap is on them, and then I just go about my business. So if you want like to switch things up, you want a different vibe, you can match like the headbands to your top or whatever you're wearing for the day. So this is the black one after the hair has dried, and I think the waves on this hair is so beautiful. I love how lightweight this feels. It's so secure and it's just fluffy and flowy. And what I love too, guys, this hair was not tangling. Like my fingers can just run through it. And usually with like wavy or curly texture, sometimes it tends to tangle. This hair did not tangle at all. It is so pretty. The sheen is unmatched. And then, guys, I tried to do like a little flip over vibe because I felt that this looks super cute. I love a flip over. And then I was trying to go in with the different headbands just to show them to you guys. Again, just like how I have the headband pushback, that's how I wear my headband wigs. I don't ever really go in with a headband. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let me know if you wear like different headbands, if you wear a headband wig, or you just rock it as is. And then I chose this brown headband, which I feel like was so pretty. It was my favorite one. I don't do headbands, and this, if I was wearing a headband, would be the one that I would wear. I love how it looked with the little flip over vibe, and look how light the hair is. It's just so fluffy. It's tangle free. I have to just like tell you guys that again, that it's tangle free. The hair was not snagging, and that really, stood out to me. And guys, if you want to show your edges, you could always push the headband to the back and show some edges. If you don't want to show your edges, you just wear it and it covers your edges. You don't have to worry about it. That's what it looks like, a little bit pushed back. This hair can be used as a half wig. Because I had braids in. I couldn't bring it all the way back, but it can be worn as a half wig because it has all the pieces on the inside to secure it to your head. So if you want to leave out more of your hair, then you are free to do that. But if you don't want to leave out any hair, then you are good to go as well. And I did try doing a half up, half down, and I love how it looked in the back. Like, there is no track showing. It's so full, it's so fluffy, and just like super pretty. I really like the hair. It's just tangle free, and that's what I couldn't get over. I didn't expect it to not tangle, and it blew me with that because I don't know what I was expecting. But yeah, and then guys, I did an updo because for me, I love a good updo, and this is how I would rock it because this is how I wear my headbands. And I did go in, and as you see, the back is very secure. I did go in with another headband just to show you I don't do headbands. I wear my wigs like this, like my headband wigs like this. But let me know your thoughts down below. And guys, if you want the link to this hair, then definitely check out the description box below. Huge shout outs to Unice. Thank you so much for sending me this wig to review. I will be wearing her. I'm a gym girly. I sweat way too much, and my headband wigs are like my go-tos. If you watch me, then you know I've been rocking headband wigs my last few videos going to the gym. But let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Unice in the description box. I love you guys. Catch you in my next one. Bye.